Good morning, ma'am. My name is Samir. Currently, I am pursuing engineering second year at Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. This is my second assignment of the first semester in the second year of my BTech course. My topic is knowledge acquisition and meta knowledge heuristics. So, let's dive into the topic. So, I'll say that again: knowledge acquisition, meta knowledge heuristics. Let's go. Okay. Introduction to knowledge acquisition. Knowledge acquisition refers to the process of obtaining and organizing knowledge. It is essential for development and improvement of intelligent systems. This process can be facilitated through various methods, including heuristics. Here in the picture, we can see the process of knowledge acquisition from the attention to registration of previous knowledge. So, the first step would be attention, and the second step would be sensation and perception, and the third step would be planning. The fourth step, we understand the plan and encode it, and the fifth step, organization, analysis and synthesis. Restructurization of previous knowledge is the final step, and we will get our output on that step. So, understanding meta knowledge. Meta knowledge is knowledge about knowledge, providing context and understanding. So, that basically means it is all the meta knowledge is all about the knowledge. It helps individuals assess the reliability and applicability of knowledge they possess. For example, if we take some knowledge into our brains with the meta knowledge algorithms, we can easily understand the knowledge we have gained. So this is what the meta knowledge is about. This type of knowledge can enhance decision making and problem solving capabilities. So here in the flow chart, we can easily see that team learning to organization learning and collective learning, individual learning. We have the team would be involving in the all process. So this is what the meta knowledge understanding is about. The role of heuristics in knowledge acquisition. Heuristics are mental shortcuts that simplify decision making processes. They allow individuals to make quick judgments without extensive analysis. While useful, heuristics can sometimes lead to cognitive biases and errors. In the picture we are seeing on the screen, it's a very good example. As we can see that everyday decisions, fast, unconscious, automatic, error prone. It means without error it will give the everyday decisions, but for the complex decisions it will take some time. It will give the output slowly, and it will think and give like a logical output. So it will take some conscious decisions and effortful, reliable. We can easily rely on the output. Okay. Types of heuristics. There are various types of heuristics, including availability and representativeness. Availability heuristic relies on immediate examples that come to mind. Representativeness heuristics involves judging probabilities based on stereotypes. In the picture, in this picture also we can easily understand that overviews and examples of the heuristics. So, heuristics is a mental shortcut that enables people to make quick but less than optimal decisions. Overview. So let's see the overview and we will get an idea about it. Tversky and Kahneman created the concept of heuristics in the early 1970s. They describe them as judgmental shortcuts that generally get us where we need to go and quickly, but at the cost of occasionally sending us off course. Heuristics are both positive and negative for our lives. They can also be leveraged in marketing situations to manipulate people's decisions. So the computer designers who are Tversky and Kahneman created the concept of heuristics, as we read, and it was designed in 1970. It was made made to generate as quick decisions, and examples are availability heuristic, which will be helpful for making decisions based on information that is easily available. So this availability heuristic is, in the name itself, it's saying that in the available information itself it will give us decisions. Anchoring heuristic, making decisions based upon a subjective anchoring point that influences all subsequent thinking on a topic. Okay, then next one, affect heuristics, making decisions based on emotions, moods, and gut feelings rather than logic. So even the bot goes off the track and gives us outputs based on the emotion that is going through, even though the bots don't have emotions, but according to our particular question or prompt, it will give us certain outputs. So heuristic strategies for knowledge acquisition. Heuristic strategies can streamline the knowledge acquisition process. They promote efficient learning by focusing on relevant information. Such strategies include pattern recognition and analogical reasoning. In the picture, we can easily see that short term solutions speed up decision making, mental shortcuts. The heuristics is a very important knowledge acquisition strategy to make decisions in a short term way or speed up way or an everyday decision making process. So meta knowledge heuristics definition. Meta knowledge heuristics guide the application of knowledge acquisition strategies. They help individuals discern when and how to use specific heuristics effectively. This can lead to improved learning outcomes and reduced errors. Manner. In the picture, we can easily see that all the bio event, class type, participants, knowledge type, hyperdimension, certainty level, polarity, source, manner. So it's a flow chart that is divided on the control on an event trigger. Okay. Importance of context in meta knowledge. Context plays a crucial role in how meta knowledge is applied. Understanding the situational factors can enhance the effectiveness of heuristics. Contextual awareness helps in adapting knowledge to new environments. As we already see in the picture, let's go into the next slide. Challenges in knowledge acquisition. Knowledge acquisition is often hindered by information overload. So okay, that's obvious, because with a lot of information in mind, sometimes we overthink or get off the track. Like in the same way, the knowledge acquisition also faces the same challenge. The complexity of subjects can make it difficult to discern relevant knowledge. Cognitive biases can also skew perceptions and hinder effective learning. The process of knowledge acquisition, we already read it and we all know about it. Overcoming challenges with heuristics. Heuristics can mitigate the impact of information overload. They allow for prioritization of information based on relevance and importance. This can lead to more focused learning and better retention of knowledge. So overcoming challenges with heuristics mean we can mitigate the information overload. We can decrease the information that has been sending to the heuristics. In that way, we can, you know, decrease the challenges that the heuristics are facing. This can lead to more focused learning and better retention of knowledge. Applications of meta knowledge heuristics. Meta knowledge heuristics finds applications in various fields, including education. So they enhance curriculum design by integrating effective learning strategies In artificial intelligence, they improve knowledge representation and reasoning. In the picture, we can easily see that all the applications of meta knowledge heuristics. In the evolutionary algorithms, it is used in genetic algorithms, evolution strategies, evolutionary programming, swan intelligence, and also in particle swan, anti-colony optimization, scatter search, memory-based heuristics, taboo search. Okay, then it's also included in hybrid methods, multi-star methods, grasp, hybrid meta heuristics, neighborhood search heuristics, variable neighborhood search, and etc. It will go on and on. So in the future directions in knowledge acquisition, advancements in technology are shaping new approaches to knowledge acquisition. The integration of AI and machine learning can provide personalized learning experience. Future research should focus on refining heuristic strategies for optimal outcomes. So, as we all know that the AI is shaping our future, and with the new technology, it is shaping how we use technology and how the data is stored. So, in the same way, in the knowledge acquisition, also the AI might enter and shape how the processes of knowledge acquisition can change in the future, and also the directions of the knowledge acquisition can go in some other way, and it would be a very bright future for knowledge acquisition when the AI enters the subject. So, okay. Conclusion and key takeaways. So, let's say that knowledge acquisition is a dynamic and essential process in learning. Meta knowledge and heuristics play a pivotal role in enhancing this process. Understanding and applying these concepts can lead to improved knowledge management. In the picture, we can easily see that cost management and optimizing hospital operations. So, yeah. Hospitals across APAC are focused on either reducing costs or streamlining the operations. Greater collaboration opportunities with medtech. Hospitals are looking to medtech companies to provide services and solutions beyond the mere provision of products, improving access to healthcare. Alternative sites are also created to rechannel patients and increase access to healthcare. So this particular knowledge acquisition is very useful in the medical technologies. For their problems, we have like the knowledge acquisition have some solutions, and it in when implemented correctly, that can solve their problem for a better service to their patients, and etc. And this was my assignment about knowledge acquisition and meta knowledge heuristics. Thank you, madam.